My dear 7th class student, today we are going to discuss the simple equations. So, simple equations. Equations means here we have the left side and right side. LHS and RHS part is called as a equation part. So, once we have already there in the 6th class LHS and RHS part. Once we will recall the simple equation of 3rd chapter. Open the page number 59. Write the LHS and RHS of the following the simple equation. Okay na? I'll say the only any of the two. You have to do the remaining as homework. So first one. Says one. First one. 2x is equal to 10. So here LHS is equal to. LHS means what? Left side. Left hand side. LHS means what here? Left hand side is called as a 2x. That means what? Is equal to left side is called as a LHS. RHS means here is equal to 10. Right hand side is equal to right side is called as a right hand side. Left hand side and right hand side. So remaining all the you can do the as it is. Okay na? So once we see the fourth one, 5p plus 3, 2p plus 9. So here also LHS. Left hand side. What is the left hand side? 5p plus 3. RHS. 2p plus 9. So this is called as a left. This is called as a right hand side. Okay na? Next. This is the exercise 1 first bit. Remaining every problem we have read the LHS and RHS. We have the 8 problems. I said 2. Remaining 6 are homeworks. Next. Second bit. Solve the following the equation by trial and error method. This is also there in the 6th class only. Okay na? Second bit. Look here. First one. 2 plus y is equal to 7. 2 plus y is equal to 7. Solve the problem means find out the y value, then after how to solve the y. After the finding the y, you have to check in the try and error method. Okay na? So first we have the y is there. Y is equal to 7 is as it is 7. Okay na? So here we have the 2 is there now. We should write the simple the y. Here we have the 2 is there now. 2 you have to send the right side. So 2 you have to send the right side means what? Minus 2. That means what here? Nothing there means what here? Plus only. The plus number if you send the right side, it became here minus. If it is minus, it became the plus. So y is equal to how much here? 5. Y is equal to how much here? 5. Checking the numbers. Checking the numbers. Okay na? Trial or error method is there. This is called as a trial or error method. For your conclusion, for our conclusion, I am going to check this problem. Write on the question as it is. Write on the 2 as it is. Y plus what is the number is there? Y plus what is the number? 5 is equal to 7. 7 is equal to 7. This is called as a checking of the number. Okay na? Next, second one. A minus 2 is equal to 6. A minus 2 is equal to 6. Okay? So, substituting the A value. A as the subject. So, minus 2 you have to send the right side. Minus 2 you have to send the right side. 6 write down the as it is. Okay, minus 2 if you send the right side become what here? Plus 2. If it is a minus number, if you send the right side become what here? Plus. Write down the A is as it is. Letters are should be in the left side only. A is equal to 6 plus 2 how much here? 8. Checking this. What? A minus 2 is equal to what here? 6. What is the A value here? A minus 2 is equal to 6. 6 is equal to 6. Okay na? Next, third one. 5m is equal to 15. 5m is equal to what here? 15. So, here 5m is what here? 5 into m is equal to 15. M is equal to 15 by 5. 5 ones are 5 3s are. M is equal to what here? 3 by 1 means what here? 3 only. So, it is in the multiplication. If you send this means what? It come to the denominator. Okay na? So, m is equal to what here? What is the value? M is equal to 3. Now, check the this one. 5m is equal to what here? 15. Checking the number. 5 into m plus what is the number there? 3. 15. 15 is equal to 15. 15 is equal to what here? 15 only. Okay, now this is all about there in the 6th class. This is all about there in the 6th class. Once check out the problems, we will see if it is possible. We will discuss the exercise 2. Okay, na? Exercise 2 only 2 bits are there. So first check out the problems. Okay, na? We will discuss the exercise 2 first bit only. Today we will discuss exercise 2 first bit only. Then after we will discuss the second bit later. What is the second exercise? We don't have any do this and try this. We have the example problems only. Okay, na? I'll say the exercise problems. You have to do the example problems. Second exercise. Solve the following equation without transposing and check your result. Okay, na? Check your result. First, what is the value of what is the given here value? X plus y is equal to 9. What is the given value? X plus y is equal to 9. So, here one box is there, here 63 page one box is there. Transforming the terms by from LHS to RHS. If it is plus, it become here minus. If it is minus, become the plus. If it is into, it comes to the divide. If it is divide, it comes to the into. That means what transfer, I said no here, transfer here. Suppose I send the here minus 2, it became what here? Plus 2. Plus means what? Minus. Into means what here? Comes to division. Division means what? Into. Write down that box carefully. Okay, na? Compulsory you have to write down the box. Compulsory. Okay, na? Is it clear? Is it clear, Amma? Next. Sir, how to do the problems of exercise 2 first bit? Okay, na? Without changing. So, without changing, that means that without transferring the problem, we have to solve the problem. Up now, this first bit, I transfer the bit. Now sir, how to we can find out the without transferring the values? According to the this plus 5, according to the this plus 5, we have to solve the problem. Okay, na? Next, look here. How we can solve the problem? Look here. Here, LHS, what is the given equation LHS? X plus 5. RHS what here? 9. Okay, na? So, to get the value of y, to get the value of x, here plus 5 is there, no? We have to subtract the minus 5 and here also minus 5. Depending on this value, we have to find out the answer easily. Here plus 5 here. What is the LHS part here? X plus 5. That means here plus 5 is there. Now, you have to add minus 5 on both sides. That means what? X plus 5. Okay, na? Here what we are doing here? Minus 5. We are doing the addition. Here also 9 minus 5. Okay, na? Next. Minus plus 5 minus 5 what here? 0. 9 minus 5 what here? 4. X plus 0 means what? X is equal to 4. This is called as a without transferring the question. Okay, na? Clear? Next to, if you see the second one, y minus 12 is equal to minus 5. So, here we have what is the LHS part? Y minus 12. So, here minus 12 here now. What we have to do? Add plus 12 on both sides. Which both side? Y minus 12. What we are doing here? Plus 12. Here also here what is the RHS here? Minus 5 plus 12. Okay, na? Minus 12 plus 12 what here? 0. Minus 5 plus 2. This is a small number. This is a big number. 12 minus 5 what here? 7. Y is equal to what here? 7. This is called as a without transferring the values. Okay, na? Next. 9z is equal to 81. 9z is equal to 81. So, what is the number is there here? Extra number is there? 9. So, it is there in the form of multiplication. Divide with 9 on both sides. That means what? 9z by 9 is equal to 81 by 9. 9 gets cancelled. 9 ones are 9 nines are. So, z is equal to what here? 9 by 1 means what? Z is equal to 9 only. Okay, na? Is it clear? Okay. Next, we'll see the fourth completed. Third one homework from plus 4 is there now. You have to do the minus 4. Okay. Next. Then after you have to divide this type only. Next, I'll say the example 5. You have to do the remaining all the problems are homework. Example 5. What is example 5? 3x plus 5 is equal to 5x minus 11. So, up now we discuss only one x here, only one y is there here. Both conditions are x and is there here. Okay, na? So whatever there here, plus 5 is there here. So, what we have to do? Add minus 5. Add minus 5 to the both side. To both sides. What is there here? 3x plus 5 minus 5, 5x minus 11 minus 5. Okay. So, what is the became here? 3x plus 5 minus 5 what here? 0 is equal to 5x minus 11 minus 5 what here? Minus 16. 3x plus 0, 3x only. How much here? 5x minus 16. Okay. Okay, sorry, 5x right here. We have to do this one now. 5x, sorry. 5x. Yeah, so 5x. Sorry. X we have to do the subtraction. Sorry. Clear? So what do we have here? We have to cancel this one. We will get only 1x. I am doing what here? Add minus 5x on both sides. 3x plus 5 minus 5x. Next. 5x minus 11 minus 5x. So, 3x plus 5 minus 5x is equal to this 5x and minus 5x. These both are look here. 5x and minus 5x I am writing one side minus 11. Here also I should write one side here. Which one? 3x, yeah, minus 5x plus 5. 3x minus 5x minus 2x plus 5. 5x minus 5x 0 minus 11. So, minus 2x plus 5 is equal to what here? Minus 11. So, what is the extra there here? Plus 5 is there. We have to do the plus 5 as minus 5. Add minus 5 on both sides. So, what is the number is there here? Minus 2x plus 5 minus 5. What is the number there here? Minus 11 minus 5. Minus 2x plus 5 minus 5 0. Minus 11 minus 16. Minus 2x is equal to what here? Minus 16. Minus minus get cancelled what here? 2x is equal to what here? 16. Next, it is there in the same form or not? It is 9 means what? I divide with the 9. Here what is the extra there here? Do. So, divide with 2 on both sides. So, 2x by 2 is equal to 16 by 2. 2 gets cancelled. 2 1 ja, 2 8 ja. X is equal to 8 by 1. So, x is equal to what here? 8. That is the problem. Okay, na? So, remaining the problems are should be same like that only. Okay, na? We'll meet in the next class.